Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how we can make this beautiful poncho. This is a new version. I made this poncho many years ago and I love the result, so I decided to make it again. But guess what? I have new secrets. I have a new version of how you can make it in the easiest way. So please stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how we are going to make it, and I hope that you can make it in different colors. But well, before we start, I invite all of you to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free. Well, once you are subscribed, I will give you all the material list and also the step by step. Let's start. Okay, we are going to start by the neck, making some chains with our hook. We are going to use two different colors. We will use 250 grams of this material that is between medium and bulky, between number 4 and 5, in different shades of pink, white, brown, and 100 grams in this plain color in brown, and the hook of number 3.5 millimeters. Okay, so first we are going to make 105 chains. We are going to make them a little bit loose, so when we come back with the next row, can be easier, okay? Well, at the end of the row, we are going to slip one to close, but before, let's check that we didn't twist, that we have the strip straight, and once we are sure, we are going to slip one to close. Remember that we made 105 chains. Well then, yarn over, and in the first space we are going to make a half double crochet like this, and again in the same space a second half double crochet. Okay, so first we will start with two half double crochet together, then we are going to make one in each stitch until we have 12. Okay, so we are going to make one in each space. So here we have 4, 5. So remember, at the end we are going to have 12 half double crochet. So we have these 3 loops and bring them through. So here we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Taking both parts of the chain, you see, I crochet a little bit loose. So if you crochet a bit tight, will change the number of your hook. So well, now after the 12 half double crochet, we are going to repeat and make one double. So it means that 2 half double crochet in the same space. Well, I suggest that you put a marker where you make these 2 half double crochet together, because in the coming rows where we make it double, again we will repeat and make it double. So here is where I'm going to put the markers, and then again I will make 12 half double crochet, one in each stitch, like this. So here we have 2, 3, and well, like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. We are going to keep making 12 half double crochet, then in the 13 2 doubles, and again we are going to put a marker right there, and again 12, then 2 doubles, and like this the whole row all around. So see you at the end. Well, with the base chains that I told you, I have the exact stitches, and I finish with 12 half double crochet, and we won't close the row, we will continue because we don't want to create any pleat. So look how we are going to make it, to continue making more rows all around. And before we continue, we will check that we didn't twist. Okay, this is the perfect step to fix it. It doesn't matter if here at the beginning we made a little twist or so, but it's better that then you see it when you have more rows. Okay, it will be more difficult to fix it. So here please take your time and check. So now look, we won't create any pleat. Here the first two have double crochet that we have without making any chain or so. Right away we will go between them and we will start making the two half double crochet, and you see, without making any chain between or so. And then the next 12 coming stitches we are going to take it like rib stitch, like leaning the hook, taking these two threads that we have behind. You see, we are going to bring them through and make the next coming 12 half double crochet. Please be careful that you don't take only this thread, because if you do, you will create a big hole. So like this is how we are going to take both threads behind and we will create this pleat, you see? And this is how it looks behind, right? So we will continue making this 12 double crochet single. Again, take a look how we are going to insert the hook, and you will see that it will be so easy. Just be careful, take your time, relaxed, and I want to arrive where we have to make the 2 half double crochet double, because I want to show you that there we won't make the rib stitch, just right inside between the last two half double crochet that we made together. Right there we are going to make the two half double crochet together. You will see that the stitch by its own will increase, okay? So it's perfect, and we will continue like this the whole row, okay? Where we make it double, we will respect and make it double, and where we make single, single, but making this pleat. Well, look, I did get ahead. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 rows. I followed the same technique, and this thread will lead us where we start and where we finish the row. Well, after these 14 rows, we are going to change color and start with the new section. Please be careful and see that where you have the markers, you always increase and make these double stitches. It happened to me and I have to come back and make it again. So please be careful and check always. And also we are going to check and we have to count, and we must have 8 sections. Well, now that we are sure that we check all of that, now we are going to change color. We are going to fold it and we will start with this new stitch. And we'll remember that this will be the top of our poncho, this will be the neck, and then we will continue. I will show you. Well, at the end we are going to cut, and we will start right away with our new color. We will go up with 5 chains, 4 and 5. Then we will skip 2, and in the third a single crochet. Again, 5 chains, 4, 5. We will skip 2, and in the third a single crochet. And like this we are going to continue making waves all around. Now that we finished the row of waves, we will slip 1 until the first wave right in the top in the middle, okay, right here. So once we are here, we will go up with 3 chains. Then in the next wave right in the top, we will make together 5 double crochet. So here we have 1, 2, 3, remember all of them in the same space, 4 and 5, all together. Then take out the hook, inserting the first double crochet, slip 1 and close, making 1 chain. And then we have the first popcorn, then 3 chains, and in the top of the next wave, single crochet. I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining. So if you listen like some drops, you know what it is. So well, we are going to continue like this the whole row. Remember to make the popcorns. We are going to make 5 double crochet in the same space, and at the end we are going to take the hook out and insert it in the first double crochet, and we will take the loop and we will insert, please be careful, take both parts of the chain like this, slip one, and then it's very important that you make one chain to close. And then we will make 3 chains, and in the top of the next wave single crochet. And well, like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, okay, making the popcorns. Okay, so here we are almost finished the row. So we will make 3 chains. We will make the last popcorn right here. Remember, just to review, we made in each popcorn 5 double crochet. So here we have 4 and 5. Remember to make these steps a little bit loose. Please don't tie too much. Take your hook out, insert your hook, taking both parts of the chain, slip one, and we will close, making 1 chain. Then make 3 chains more, and here remember that this is where we slip the chain. So right here we will finish making a slipping one. So this is the second row. Okay, now to start with the next row, we will repeat the row of waves. So as you could see, we are creating the series. So this is the first row of the series. We are going to slip one, and right here in the middle of the join and of the popcorn, we will make 5 chains. Then we will make single crochet after the popcorn in the space. Then we will insert the hook here, here, here. Okay, always making 5 chains. So we will insert the hook before and after the popcorn, you see? So like this we are going to continue the whole row making this row of waves. Well, here at the end of the row of waves, we will slip one where we started. We will finish, remember, making five chains. And right here, we are going to slip one to join. So now we are ready to start with the next row and the second row of the series. We are going to make the popcorns. So again, we are going to slip one until the top, right in the middle. And from here we will go off making 3 chains. Then we are going to alternate the place of the popcorns. So we are going to put one between each. Okay, so we have to be careful and take care of that once we are going to repeat the series. Because from now on, we are going to continue making as many series that we need until we get the length of the poncho that we want. Remember that each series has 2 rows, so this is the second row of each series. So here we are making a review of the popcorn. Then we will finish making 1 chain to close, and then 3 chains and single crochet in the next space. So remember, each series has 2 rows. So like this series, we are going to make 12. Okay, so see you when you have the series that you need. In my case, I will make 12 series, alternating the place of the popcorn. Okay, so be careful. Well, look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 rows. Sorry, 12 series, right? Each series has 2 rows. I already tried on and I like the length of the poncho. Well, we will finish making 1 row of waves. Remember that this was the same way that we started making waves. So we will finish making a row of waves, and then we will make an extra row for the edge. Okay, this row will be very simple. We are going to slip one until the top of the first wave, and right once we are here, we will make 5 chains, and we will come back to the third chain and slip one to make a picot. Then 3 chains and single crochet in the top to finish. And this is what the stitch that we are going to make again. So 5 chains, then we will come back to the third chain and slip one. Then 1, 2, 3 chains and single crochet in the next wave. And like this we are going to continue the whole row. Then at the end we are going to make just a simple row here of crab stitch all around the neck. Well, here at the end we will have something like this. Then we are going to slip one to close and then pull and make one knot there. Remember that it's very important that you hide all your threads. I used embroidery needle and I first blend the and pass through the needle like this, and then once it's here I take the thread and then I pass it through. It's very important, please don't cut right away. So this is the way that I hide. Like this, a lot. Okay, so the thread can perfectly hide, and like this it will be like more difficult that the thread go out, and like this we protect, because if not with the time it may damage. Okay, so once we hide it, now we are ready to cut. Okay, and like this we are going to repeat it with all the threads that we may have. Well, in the top we are going to change color again. We are going to make a last row for the edge, and here I will use the color that I was using in shades of brown, pink, blue, white, and like this. Well, I know that I told you that if you want you can make a crab stitch, but guess what? I'm going to change the stitch. My mom has just taught me this stitch. Well, I already knew it, but she gave me this idea. So we will go up with 3 chains, and in the same place 2 double crochet more, and then this will be the shell. We will skip 1, 2, and in the third space single crochet, and this is the stitch that I will use to decorate the top. Okay, I wanted to make something simple but beautiful, and if you want you can make the crab stitch, or like me, this shell stitch. You see, it's very simple. And like this we are going to continue all around. Remember, 3 chains, and in the same place 2 double crochet more, and then single crochet. We will skip 2 spaces, and in the third space single crochet. Okay, and like this we are going to continue. At the end we are going to iron just the top, just the top, the neck, and this part of the popcorns we will leave it like this. Okay, because if not it will lose its puffiness. So this part don't iron, just the top. And well, like this we finish. Now let's see how it looks. Well, I love to share this idea with you. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I love the result. You can make it in different colors and it's a classic. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember that it's completely free. And don't forget to leave me a comment and to follow me in all my social media. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.